Welcome teacher, welcome to the Aishule tutorials. Now in today's tutorial we shall be having a brief overview of your dashboard, what it entails. Once you log into your dashboard, this is what you shall actually see. You shall see something like a teacher routine, batch, grade, section, viewers. Then on the left hand side you have the Kaskazini School, which is the name of your school. Then you have a number of features. Now I shall explain them briefly, each of them, because we shall be looking at them in detail in later tutorials. Now, the teacher routine is simply your timetable as a teacher. What are you going to teach during the week? It's actually going to be displayed as a timetable. So briefly looking at it, the batch is the admission year. Each school has its own batch system. Some actually put the batch per year, some put it per month, some put it per admission dates. Depends on the school. The grade is actually the class. For example, grades 1 to grade 4 to grade 8. Some schools actually refer to them as class 1, class 2, class 3, or even form 1, form 2, form 3, form 4. The section is actually the stream. Then viewers means you can view your timetable as weekly or daily. So briefly, just to show you what the teacher routine entails, the teacher routine is simply your timetable for the week. What classes, what subjects are you teaching the entire week? We shall be looking at this one in detail later on. We have the manage assignments. This is where you upload your assignments, and this is where you download the assignments from the students. We have the exam, where you simply go ahead and view the exams that are going to be done or the exams that have already been done. We have the study material, whereby you upload the reference materials for the students' assignments or simply for their revision or for their studies. We have the event, which is simply used to upload, to create an event for the class. Is it a birthday event? Is it a trip event? Is it a swimming event? etc. We have what we call the timeline. The timeline is simply the posts per class, the activities that you are showing the teachers that have happened daily, weekly, or monthly. Then we have the chat, which is simply a way of the teacher chatting or interacting with the parent. So these are the features we shall be looking at one by one in the future tutorials. So that's it. This is simply a brief overview. In the next tutorials, we shall be looking at the features one by one. So thank you for joining me. See you in later tutorials. Good day.